Hello, I'm Christina, and today we're going to talk about how to know if your computer has Microsoft Word. So you open up your computer right here, and inside your window, you should see a Start menu. Now, Microsoft Word is a program, so it should be automatically saved into your Programs file. And so if we click on Start, and click on All Programs, and you should see all the programs that your computer has showing up. And as you can see, we have Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Word. Now, another way to find out if your computer has Microsoft Word is if you go in the Control Panel. So if we click on Control Panel and click on Add or Remove Programs, we're not going to remove any programs, but we're just going to see what programs that our computer has. So click on Add or Remove Programs. And now it's going to search and give you a listing of all the programs that your computer has. So that is how you find out if your computer has Microsoft Word.